Hello everyone, welcome to APSC Tutorials YouTube channel. Here I upload videos related to APSC, UPSC, Bank, PO, etc. So subscribe and share the channel as much as possible. So today we'll discuss the current affairs on 3rd of May. So today is 3rd of May. So let's see the top 10 points of current affairs. First point, Government of West Bengal has allowed home delivery of non-essential goods. So till now, not a single state government has allowed this activity, but recently West Bengal has allowed non-essential goods to be delivered to the doorsteps of the people. So some information about West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Present CM is Mamata Banerjee. Present Governor Jagdeep Dhankar. West Bengal is located near the river Hooghly. West Bengal famous for terracotta temples of Vishnupur. Sundarban, Buksa are the two famous national parks of West Bengal. Next point, Australia becomes the #1 test team in ICC test ranking. So recently ICC has announced its rankings, one day T20 and test rankings. So within the test ranking, Australia becomes the #1 test cricket team. So India is at the 3rd spot right now for the test rankings. Where is the headquarters of ICC? International Cricket Council. The headquarters is in Dubai. ICC founded in the year 1909. And the motto of ICC is Cricket for Good. Next point. New Development Bank has announced to offer an amount of $15 billion loan to BRICS countries. So it's a recent announcement by New Development Bank to sanction an amount of $15 billion to BRICS countries. So what is this BRICS? BRICS include Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. BRICS was established in the year 2006. Initially it was only BRIC, Brazil, Russia, India and China. South Africa joined this group in the year 2010. Next point, recently Arvind Kumar Sharma appointed as the Secretary for MSME. It is also a recent and fresh appointment by Government of India. So what is this MSME? MSME stands for Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So Arvind Kumar Sharma is an IAS officer of 1988 batch. Next point, Maharashtra becomes the first state to provide free health insurance for their people. So it's a recent announcement by Government of Maharashtra. Who is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra? Uddhav Thackeray is the present Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He has announced that he will provide free health insurance to all the people of the state. Next point, Dipankar Datta was appointed new Chief Justice for Bombay High Court. This is also a fresh appointment. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court is now Mr. Dipankar Datta. Next point, recently CRISIL has revealed that because of lockdown, India is facing a crisis of 10 lakh crore. So CRISIL is a rating agency. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. So it has recently revealed that because of the lockdown, India has lost 10 lakh crores of funds. Next point, recently terracotta of Gorakhpur got GI tag. So recently 2 items got GI tag. One is the black rice of Manipur and next one is terracotta of Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is in the state of Uttar Pradesh. GI tag stands for Geographical Indication Tag. Next point, recently Prakriti dashboard was developed by IIT Delhi. So this dashboard, Prakriti dashboard, is a dashboard for COVID-19. And what is this Prakriti stands for? Prakriti stands for Prediction and Assessment of Corona Infections and Transmission in India. This dashboard was developed by IIT Delhi, Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Next point, recently Shivdas Meena was appointed as CMD of HUDCO. This is also a fresh and new appointment by Government of India. Now he is the CMD of HUDCO. HUDCO means HUD Housing and Urban Development Corporation. HUDCO was established in the year 1970. And where is the headquarters of HUDCO? The headquarters of HUDCO is in New Delhi. So these were the top 10 points of current affairs on the day of 3rd of May. Thank you for listening to the presentation.